This orange fruit could be secretly draining your health or boosting it fast. Persimmons are sweet, orange fruits loved for their honey-like taste. They are full of vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. But do they help your health? Or can they cause harm? Let's find out in this video. What is persimmon? Persimmon is a sweet fruit that looks like a tomato. It grows on trees and turns orange when ripe. There are many types, but the two common ones are fuyu and hachia. Fuyu is firm and can be eaten like an apple. Hachia is soft and best eaten when fully ripe. People enjoy persimmons fresh, dried, or added to salads and desserts. Nutrition facts. Persimmons are low in calories but packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a highly nutritious fruit. One medium persimmon provides good amounts of vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, all of which help support healthy vision, glowing skin, and a strong immune system. It also contains dietary fiber, potassium, and manganese, which promote healthy digestion, support heart function, and help maintain strong bones. In addition, persimmons are naturally sweet and contain healthy carbohydrates that provide a quick source of energy. Because they are rich in nutrients while remaining relatively low in calories, persimmons make an excellent addition to a balanced and healthy diet. Health benefits. Persimmons offer many health benefits. They are rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals and reduce inflammation in the body. The fiber in persimmons helps digestion and keeps your gut healthy. Vitamin A and other compounds support good eyesight and protect the eyes from damage. Persimmons also help lower cholesterol, which is good for heart health. Some studies show they may help control blood pressure too. The vitamin C in persimmons boosts your immune system and helps fight infections. Eating persimmons regularly may also improve skin health, thanks to antioxidants and vitamins that fight aging signs. Side effects. Persimmons are generally safe, but eating too many can cause problems. Unripe persimmons contain tannins, which can cause a stomach blockage called a bezoar, especially on an empty stomach. This can lead to pain or digestion issues. People with diabetes should eat persimmons in small amounts because of their natural sugar content. Some people may also have allergic reactions, like itching or swelling. If you take blood-thinning medicine, talk to your doctor before eating a lot of persimmons, since vitamin K can affect it. Always eat ripe persimmons and avoid too much if you have stomach issues. Persimmons are tasty, healthy, and full of nutrients when eaten the right way. Add them to your diet in moderation and enjoy their sweet taste and health perks. If you liked this video, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to know this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.